My name is Jesse Brown. I'm the Regional Property Manager for Kelson Group. We own and develop apartment buildings across BC and Alberta. Lexington Court was one of our first developments as a company. We built it in 2016 in Langley. It's 105 suites with a mix of 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units. The number one reason we chose Hypercharge for Lexington Court was the great testimonial we received from people you guys had worked with previously. Based off our previous experience working with other vendors, which hadn't worked out so great, I was really looking for a proven track record, both with the install and the management thereafter. So Hypercharge did a great job of finding out what we needed and helping deliver. The motivation for installing EV chargers at Lexington Court, there was really three of them. Kelson's commitment to our environmental standards. The second was just from a market demand standpoint, we wanted to make sure that people who owned EVs already could live in our buildings. And the third was future-proofing, and anyone who's driven an EV knows they're the future. They're just better cars. As part of the project at Lexington, we electrified 20 different stalls and installed 10 chargers at Lexington Court. EV owners have been ecstatic before they were charging at work or going to some of the fast chargers, so they're just so happy to have them down there. And remarkably, a number of tenants have told us they will now more seriously consider an EV for their next vehicle, which is just great to hear. Eventually, we're going to have EV charging in all of our buildings, or we do truly see this as the future, and it aligns with so many of our goals as a company. So over the next 10 to 15 years, I do envision us having EV chargers at every single one of our 70 locations. If I were talking to another property manager, I would say that Hypercharge is dependable, that it's a white glove service from the day that you first chat all the way through installation, check in on you, they make sure the chargers work, and as a product, it's second to none.